going to share that with you as well. One really amazing tip that I can share with you right now, if you're starting to work on content creation, is that there's a site that's called Remove BG. I'm not sure if you know about this, but I'm gonna just throw it out to you. And this is something that I use a lot. So what this application allows you to do is you can upload any image and then it removes the background from it. So it's an amazing product. For instance, if I had to pick one image, let's say, can I pick this guy? I could use Mars. I don't know why I have a picture of Mars in my phone. Oh, sorry, in my PC. So Mars, I'm gonna share this with you without the background. So here you can see that this background is removed immediately, and you can see how amazing that is. That you don't have to do anything, you don't have to use any software, and then you can download this right away. So that's really nice. Another thing that they created that I love even more is this design product, which is designify.com. And what this does is that if you upload the same image, I'm sorry Mars, I'm using your picture, but that just shows how much I like you and your content. Although you are in some sort of walima here, but I'll still use your picture. So if you do this, what this would do is that it would kind of show you different designs that you can use with it right away, like this one, right? So you could actually choose one of the gradients. You could kind of move Mars to a beach maybe. You could also pick any of these designs, like for marketing purposes you could use this one. So this is super cool, right? And you can, I think, edit this as well and replace your logo and whatnot. Mars looks cool in this one. So yeah, these are two links that I could share. Remove BG, upload, gonna share that in the chat. Then we have designify.com. I'm gonna share that in the chat as well. So good luck creating your own